You do champion the causes of your clients when you're a lawyer, and we're no different than any other lawyers when it comes to that. But social justice often in litigation, I think, gets lost because your client's cause may not be consistent with what is socially just. You may have a client that, did something very bad, or you may have a client who wants to do something that is technically legal but is not necessarily beneficial to the community, or at least to some people in the community. I think there's a real tension in our system in the United States between what I would call justice on the one hand and law on the other hand. Justice is just the idea that every man, woman, and child should get what they deserve and what they should earn. Law sets up a system of rules that dictate outcomes in certain situations, but those outcomes, as we all know, are not often just. There are many cases, as we learned just from reading the paper, where people don't get the just outcome that they deserve. They get an outcome that a statute requires. An example of that would be innocent people that are wrongly convicted in the criminal justice system. That phenomenon has been studied very closely. There's a lot of data coming out about it now. There's an outfit called the Innocence Project that's made it a cause to free wrongfully imprisoned people. That would be an example of law producing result after a jury trial or a plea bargain that is not in accord with justice. On the civil side, the statute of limitations is a statute that is provided by law but does not necessarily give you a just result. Someone could have a really good case, but if they waited too long to bring it, or maybe they got bad advice from an attorney who let the statute of limitations run out, they're out of court no matter how just their case is.